In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily clear Facebook history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to your profile. Tap at these three dots button next to View Tools, and then tap at Activity Log. That's where you can easily find all your activity log. However, I suppose you are looking how to clear your search history or watched video history. To do that, scroll down to the very bottom and tap at Logged Actions and Other Activity. That's where we can easily find our search history, our videos we have watched history, and videos we have searched for. So we can get in any of these category, let it be search history, and it will show us all our recent searches. They are sorted in chronological order, so we can just scroll down or up, and if we would like to remove some particular search from that history, we can just tap at three dots next to it, then delete and delete again. That will remove one particular search from that history. If we want to clear the entire search history, we can tap at Clear Searches, and that will clear all the searches. And the same about videos you have watched and any other categories. In the same way, you can tap at three dots, then delete, or you can tap right here at that link to clear the entire history in the particular category. That's how you can easily clear your history on Facebook.